Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will be discussing about the where statement in SQL, and we will also see the different comparison operators that we can use with the where statement. So let us start. To start, let us consider the city populations table in the tutorial database in mode. So I'll just select all the rows and columns from the city populations table in the tutorial database. So I'll write select star from tutorials.citypopulation and I'll run the statement. Upon execution, I can see that the table contains columns for city, state, population estimate and ID. Suppose now I need to filter this data on different conditions. So for that, I will be using the where statement or the where clause. Let us say I need to see the data only for the state of Texas or TX. So for that I will write where state equals to, since TX is a string, so I will write it within single quotes and I'll write TX. And if I run this, we got the population data only for the state of Texas. So as we saw, the where statement filtered the rows present in the table based on different set of conditions provided in the where statement. So in where statement, we can use numerous conditions and we can also give multiple conditions at the same time. So if we look at the conditional operators, one conditional operator as we saw was equal to. Another conditional operator could be not equal to. In SQL, we can write not equal to as smaller than greater than symbol, which denotes not equal to. Here we go. We got data for all the states except the state of Texas. Since in where statement I mentioned where state is not equal to TX. Now let us filter the data on the basis of population estimate. So suppose I want to view the data for the cities where the population estimate is greater than 8 million. So for that I will write where population estimate underscore 2012, which is the name of our column, and now I'll write the condition, which is the population estimate is greater than 8 million. And now I'll execute this. Here we go. There was only one city where the population was greater than 8 million. In this similar way, I can provide multiple conditions as well. Suppose I need to get the data for the cities where the population is in between 1 million and 8 million. So for that, I can use two conditions in the where statement. So for that, I can write where population is greater than 1 million and at the same time, the population is smaller than 8 million. And now if I'll execute this, I got the data for all the cities where the population was in between 1 million and 8 million. That is where the conditions in the where statement were satisfied. So this is how the where statement filters the rows based on the set of conditions. The different comparison operators that we can use in SQL, as we saw, are the equal to operator. Then we also saw the not equal to operator. We can also write a not equal to operator as exclamation mark and equal to symbol. Another operator that we used was greater than. We also saw the smaller than operator. Similarly, we also have the greater than equal to and smaller than equal to operators. So these were the different comparison operators that we can use in SQL. So that was all for this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.